This is the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K camera mini drone. This drone is 249 grams. It's a very lightweight drone, but still very powerful drone. It has level 5 wind resistance. All right, so I'm gonna do a little demonstration of it. And first I'm gonna say there's a little customizations, a couple stickers on there. When you get your drone, make your drone your own. All right. Also, this is a registered drone, so I do have stickers on it. I'm not going to show any of the stickers. That's personal information. I'm not going to show that today. But I do want to show you a little bit and demonstrate a little bit about this drone without flying it, obviously. I'm indoors. All right. So now, this drone does come with your prop protectors. This is your Velcro strip prop protector. So you saw how it was compacted, kept everything protected, your propellers and everything like that. All right. The way you unfold this drone, before I unfold it, let's do this. Let's take off the gimbal guard. So you get a gimbal guard right here. There you go. You got a little foam piece that keeps the gimbal in place. All right. And then the way you unfold this drone will be like this. Same thing on the bottom, like this, and like this. So right here, you see that's what the drone looks like. All right. Okay. On the bottom, this is your on and off. You would actually hold it, press it once, and then hold it. It's going to make that sound, and that would turn the drone on. All right. Now, the way you would turn that off, you do the same thing. Press it, hold it down. It's going to flash, and it's going to go off. All right. It should be going off soon. There it goes. It went off. Okay. You see your sensors on the bottom there for, for indoors, or just keep your height. Okay. All right. So check it out. So now that we're there, let's turn this drone around and show you the battery, how that goes in and out. So your battery, it's in there right now. You squeeze on this little bottom piece right here and you pull the battery out. You want to put that battery in there, you just click it in like that. That's how you do the battery on that drone. All right. So now that we're on that, let me show you some items that you get with this drone. This is the Fly More combo. So with the Fly More combo, you're going to actually get your battery pack right here. And what's nice about this battery pack, this is a parallel charging battery pack, so it charges all your batteries at the same time. The other thing nice about these batteries that come with this drone is that you can charge them individually if you like with a USB-C. So that's really nice too. This battery pack right here, when you push the button, you can see how charged your batteries are. It tells you what level they're at. Okay, that's really cool. The other thing that comes with this drone, you do get a charger. You get a wall charger. Okay, that wall charger looks like this here. Now this one goes into your battery pack. All right, there you go. You plug it in the wall, you plug it into your battery pack. Now, the other thing is you get this USB-C cable. And what's cool about this is, look, that charges into your battery pack. Looks like that there. So you got that going. Now, what's nice about that with this drone is that you actually can charge your controller, your battery pack, all at the same time. Okay, that's cool. All at the same time. Okay, so that's how that goes. So we got that going. Now, let me show you what else you get with this here. You do get these other little cables here. These are the way you plug these into your phone. So if you have a older phone with the micro USB right there, you got that one. You have your Lightning if you have an iPhone. And you have your USB-C if you have an Android or whatever phone you have, a Galaxy phone. So right there. So let's see here. Now, let's do the next thing here. So let me show you how this works, the way you put that in there. So here's your antennas. Okay, they go all the way flat. They go here. And then the nice thing, too, is I'll show you these little controller pieces right here. You take these off, and there's little spots in the bottom here where you can insert them into the bottom of your controller so you don't lose them. You see here? You want to take those off. Oops. See, that's what I mean. That's why you need that spot, because I just dropped one. All right, so that was perfect. So right there, you see here, let me cover this up really quick. There you go. That's how they go in the bottom of your controller. Now, when you want to put those into your controller, like this here, they just screw right into the controller, just like that. All right. On this controller, you do have your camera right here. That's for pictures. This one here is for your recording. And then you have your zoom in, zoom out. All right. You do get extra propellers with your drone. You do get screws, and you get a little screwdriver as a tool to also put those onto your drone. All right, let's see here. So you get, this drone comes in a bag. With this bag, you do get little compartments on the sides. You can see there's little compartments on the sides. Both sides have a compartment. Has a shoulder strap. Has a carrying handle, which is nice, really convenient. Let's see here. When you open this up, here's where you put the drone, and it has a little Velcro thing to help keep that in place. It has a little compartments for everything, like your battery, controller, whatever accessories. Inside, it also has a zipper spot at the top here. You can see here where you can put more stuff in here. I put the props and things like that in there. It has this front compartment too with the zippers. What I normally do with this front part, I just keep these wires in here. That's what I normally do. So keep everything with you just like that in this little compartment here, in your little baggie. It's a really nice bag. I use this bag. You can carry everything you need with you for this drone. If you need anything extra, you have an extra bag. But it's nice to have this one. It's very light, very easy. Carry with you really quick. All right, so that's the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K camera drone. Oh, one last thing I forgot. It does come with, I may have already said it, but it does come with an SD card in the Fly More combo. That's one thing I want to make sure I say. So I believe I got through everything here. You know what? Let's go a little further. Let's show you this. Why not? So this is how you fold your drone. All right, you fold it back up. You got that going. Now, you put your gimbal guard protector on there. All right, let's do this. And then you put your gimbal guard protector on. All right. And you put your prop protector on just like that there. You're back where you started. Should I say it again? Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K camera mini drone.